Hi, welcome to the Yoga Lab. In this series, we're working on yoga postures like a scientist. We're dissecting the postures, trying to figure out the risks, benefits, and modifications so that you can get the most out of your yoga practice and keep it more safe, injury-free, and continue your yoga practice a long, long life. Great! So today, we're going to work on Trikonasana. For this, I want you to grab a block. So, let's place the block in front of the mat. Come to the top of the mat. First things first, we're going to activate the feet. So press down to the feet, maybe lift the toes out, separate and place them one by one. Bend your knees slightly. As you press the feet down, you want to dial out and activate everything there. And with this activation, you're going to take a deep breath and stretch your right leg back. Not too wide, not too narrow. I think this much of distance is good. So as you press both feet and activate, make sure that this knee is not blocked back, hyperextended, but just a tiny bit of a knee, bend in the knee, micro bend, would be great to activate these muscles and protect your knee. Otherwise, if you press it back, it's going to ruin your knee. So keep it slightly bent. Now let's move on by bringing the arms up as you inhale. Move forward and forward as far as you can and drop your left arm down on a block. Get the block just inside of your left foot and keep your right hand on the belly. Now as you inhale, turn the chest up towards the sky. So your right shoulder is back, your shoulder blades behind you is flat, looking up. Good. Your head is very active. You never keep the head like this. Chin to the chest and either looking up, or if this is painful, you can look forward or you can look down. Okay. Lift your right arm up and just open the chest. Feel yourself flying. You can completely place the hand on the block. Great. And slowly come back. Let's do the other side. And I'm going to tell you very important modification or correction in this posture. So place the block inside of the right foot. Open the arms again. You move forward. You drop your right hand on the block and left arm up. Okay? So one of the very important mistakes we do in this position is to keep the hips too way back. And that happens because we want to go far too deep into the posture. So it happens like this. You want to go all the way down to the floor and you bring the hips back. However, it would be much more beneficial if you bring the hand maybe on the shin or in front of the leg, or the best is with a block. Lift the left arm up and keep the hips forward and open the chest. Visualize yourself like a piece of bread being toasted so the whole body is in one line. And feel that energy on the left fingertips. There's a lot of energy as if somebody is pulling you up from the sky. Great. And come back. So Trikonasana is a wonderful posture that gives you more connection to the earth. It opens the chest and the upper body, as well as helping the posture behind you. If you're rounded back, it's going to teach your back, shoulder blades how to be in line. And it's one of the postures that I love the most. The simplicity, but yet you're going to feel the stretch in the legs, stretch on one side and contraction on the other side. It's such a strong, beautiful posture. Just make sure that you pay attention to the neck, to the hips, and to the knees. So, enjoy your practice and see you on the next Yoga Lab. Namaste.